Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're exporting Google Maps routes to a PDF file. So before we begin guys, understand that this is only available exclusively on the desktop browser, so don't use this on the phone. Alright, so just log in here, then of course type in your final destination and hit the blue directions button right over here. And then we can configure your absolute starting location alongside any intermediate road trip waypoints. Then once the map renders the ideal tracking line vectors, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar column. Click straight on the Details button. So press on Details here, and then as you can see this little button that says Print, a usual print button. So just click on it. Then as you can see Print including maps or print text only, choose this. Choose your settings and then Save. And then after you press on this button, it will be prompted to save to your computer as you can see, a PDF file. So you'll be saving this locally onto your computer. Pretty simply done, as you can see, guys. Choose your location, both cities, of course, start and the finish. Choose details, and then you're good to go here from this interface. That's it, guys. Enjoy as always, and don't forget to subscribe.